Question number 67. When I first saw this triangle, I knew I was going to have to use some kind of trig function. You can't use sine, cosine, and tangent because it's not a right triangle. You can't use law of cosine. No, you can use law of sine. See how you're missing only one angle? So I could take 180, subtract 70. That'll give me 110. Then subtract 42. 110 minus 42. This angle is 68. So now, because this is a 68 and that corresponds to the 2000, I can use law of sine. Sweet, that's not that bad. All right, so the sine of 68 over 2000 is equal to, it doesn't really matter, but I'll do this side first. The sine of 42 over b. Now to type this in, you're going to cross multiply. So it's going to be 2000 multiplied by the sine of 42. And then I'm going to divide that by the sine of 68. And that should give me b. So b is equal to 1,443.4 feet. Now I'm going to repeat that same process and solve for side C. So let's do the sine of 68 over 2000 again. And that's going to be equal to the sine of 70 over side C. Okay, typing this in again, or cheating. 2000 times the sine of 68. Oops. And that will be divided by, oh damn, I messed up. 2000 times the sine of 70. Oh, nice. And then I'm going to divide that by the sine of 68. It looks like side C is equal to 2027? 2027 feet. So now I know that this is 1443.4. I know this is 2027. How far are Holly and Kyle from the balloon? How high is the balloon? Ooh, how high? Okay, in order to figure out height, you need to drop a perpendicular. So let's drop a perpendicular from the height of the balloon straight down, which is nice because that actually gives you a right angle. And we can use sine, cosine, or tangent to figure out this last part. Okay, so the last part, why don't we use, let's see, we're trying to find this height, which is opposite the 70. So let's see, we need the opposite over the hypotenuse. Why don't we use sine? Oops, take that off. The sine of 70 degrees is equal to the opposite, which in this case is height, over hypotenuse, 1443.4. So to solve this, the opposite of dividing by 1443.4 is multiplying. So I'll type in the sine of 70 multiplied by 1443.4. And that should give me the height. Height is equal to 1,356.4 feet. And that is the second part of my answer.